Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'll be talking about betrayal. Okay, so I actually write down a few stuff because this is a good topic and I want to deliver it very well. Okay, yes guys, so you have to be prepared to be betrayed by your friends and family. People who is no longer your friend, they cannot hurt you. And you are always going to be prepared for that person, right? Because if me and you don't talk, there is no way you can know anything about me. Guys, remember before you are going to this video to subscribe. Person who is not your friend or your family, they cannot know about you unless someone close to you tell them. If I am wrong, I want someone to comment down below and tell me that I am wrong. Be prepared to be betrayed by your family and friends. One day, people that you think, yes, and I'm pointing at you, pointing at the people that who is watching this. You understand? One day the people then that you think is your friends and family, and you can count on them to hold you down, they will be the one to betray you, sell you out, whichever way you want to use it. You know, as Jamaican would have said, the boy they are sell out. Yeah, they will be the one to betray you and sell you out. So guys, one thing I always know to do after many years, I am now 29 years old, right? Don't be afraid to mourn when somebody hurts you. Don't be afraid. Sometimes people might say you're weak because you cry, and you're weak because this and that. Don't be afraid. Remember, I know a lot about the Muslim religion. People might say, why should I talk about Muslim and thing? Yeah, I know a lot. I used to live in Trinidad. I know a lot. You know? In the Muslim faith, that your own will be the one to take you down. As them back home in Jamaica would say, if you're dead or something that do you and your family or your friend in it, you're not dead. If you're going to die and your family and friend is not involved in it, it's not going to happen. You ever sit down and see something good that happen for you, and then all of a sudden you just wonder why everything just go the opposite way. Everything was going so smooth, you got everything right, and you say, yes, I got this going the way I want it to go, and you just see progress come, and then you just see something goes up, and you sit down and you think and you say, what really happened? What really happened? You know what? Not knowing it's somebody very close to you who stop all that. You know, I have been through so much. I could come here and sit and tell you a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna say I'm perfect. I am not perfect and nobody is. You understand? But I know certain things that I would not do. You understand? I would not sit here and say, oh, I am perfect and I am this and I am that. No, I would be lying. I am not perfect, but I'm a straightforward person. You understand? I am a straightforward person. Yes, I and sometimes things happen where you have to keep it in, because if you let it out, you end up hurt somebody, or somebody end up lose your trust. Sometimes somebody open up your eyes to things and you have to just keep it down, because guess what? If you just talk, the person are gonna lose trust in you. But sometimes, as them say, it's good to know rather than you not knowing. You understand? Sometimes it's good to know rather than you not knowing. You see me? That someone is poisonous around you. And when we say poisonous, I know y'all understand what I mean. You understand? Around you. Because it has some friend and family, them deadly. And I'm talking about the both things because I've been through it with both friends and family. You understand? Yes. Sometimes I tell myself that I'm a black sheep. I have family upon this. I know they might see the video and feel a weird and thing, but it's the truth. Have you ever do everything right and it come like say nothing way to do, you not do it right? Huh? I want you to comment down below. Have you ever do everything right and it feels like you are not doing nothing at all? I've been through that multiple times, and sometimes I sit down and I cry to myself. The other day I was talking to somebody. You understand? She might gonna see this video because we was actually talking, and she said, you should do a video on this. You know? I was talking to her and I said, you know, sometimes I have things bothering me and I don't tell people because I don't like to give people my burden to carry. And she was like, you know, I am the same way too. I will try to fix other people's problems knowing that I have my own problems, and I don't fix mine and I keep mine within. As my sister Trinidad say, then Colleen, why you not tell me this? My sister in Trinidad, she have a YouTube channel. She do a lot of cooking. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. I'll put the link in the description box below. As she would say, when we say, you know, some do this, or you know, some do that, like the other day, we get injection on my back and thing, and she never know somebody sick. And I talk to her normal every day and thing, and she say, why those things, you just hide it when time things do, and you know, say nothing. Because we know everybody have their own problem, and sometimes it feel like, to me, I always tell myself I'm strong, but I'm not really that strong, you know, but I tell myself I'm strong because I know certain things I can't handle. You understand? So, me not gonna say this person have them problem and then they might tell me for them problem, and while me comfort them, me throw for my problem upon them. You understand? Worse when I know the person care about me. So them I go think about for them problem plus my problem, and me don't want that. You understand? I don't want that. Because I am not selfish. You see me? I don't want that. And she would have said, no, Colleen, you make me cry, this, that, that. I love my sister Trinidad so much. But I tell no lie. You understand? Because she care about me. But I'm a little niece. When you're a princess, God say I know. Yes, guys, but let me not go down into that and stray from what I am really talking about. You understand? Yes. So, I am not going to sugarcoat anything. Despite of what people may think. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm going to give it to you as real as real. Let me fix this. You know? I just wash my hair, guys, and I just sketch it back. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. You understand? I know I might hurt people's feelings who watch this. You understand? But I hope a lot of people learn something from this. Even if you is somebody who betrayed somebody before, I hope you learn something. You get a message from this. Because sometimes you do some things in life and you hurt people so deep. You open up things that happened years ago and hurt a person. You understand? Even the person skip past certain things. You understand? And they don't make it a problem. By you just open it up. You understand? You don't know how much you hurt that person. You have to look into yourself and say, listen, you know, so I mess up and I need to do better. You understand? Me as a person like this, if me wrong about something, me can tell us I'm wrong. I have this one friend over here where me sure say she's a true friend to me. If she ever do nothing bad against me, is what me no know. She is somebody where me can say, my girl, I don't like this that you do. Me not like that. And she will tell me, say, Colleen or Corey, me not like this. You understand? We can tell each other so we don't like this and we don't like that and we don't vex with each other. Yeah? We stand with grounds. And she'll be like, thanks, me like, me appreciate you tell me the truth. That is what friends are for. Because if me and your friend and me can't tell you say you're eye red, not meaning like red eye as in bad mind somebody, you're eye red, and you get offended, or, you know, say, you kind of have a little order. I try to make you feel in a way where you have a little order, and you don't feel bad or feel vexed with me and say me I try to embarrass you. Me I can be friend. Because if me smell, more my friend tell me. Say me smell. Me don't want to have me a road and people this. You understand? I want you to tell me say me smell. So people have to be careful the friends them where you pick. I know I'm a special person, you know. I know I am special. You understand? I know that I'm a special person and kids love me. And you see when kids love you, kids know good people. And any kids when me go around them always love me. Look my baby niece in Trinidad. People would have think say me meet her in person already. I've never met that baby before, Jojo. And I talk to her almost every day. You understand? When she a pray, she always say pray for auntie. When she see me on the TV, she watch my video. Auntie, she know me come and talk to her for she baby. Kids always gravitate to me because they know I'm a good person. I have anger problem. Me know me angry and when they mess with me, I lash out and I'm not afraid to say, yeah, I'm gonna give it to you like that. You know? If me get angry, me lash out. And you see people who me stay silent with when them hurt me a certain way, I'm not trying to confront them. It's because me know say I want to cut the barrier with you. You understand? And you see another thing, you see people who hurt me and make me sit and cry for days. Those are people that I'm very disappointed in. Worse than me know me love the person. You understand? Worse when I know I love that person and me look out for them and me say no, they're not like this and this is not that way. You understand? And me put my neck out even when other people say no, them this way or them that way or him stay that way or him stay that way. They say no, him not stay so or she not stay so. You understand? And then you go hear down the line say the person that do this and worse when you know it's something that you're sure say it's true. So the person, even if you confront the person, them can't say them never did do it or whatever. You understand? Those are the person that hurt me the most. You know? Yeah? Those are the persons that hurt me the most. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. The number one rules is to subscribe to my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And remember to comment. Don't forget to comment down below because I have a lot of these topics to come with. You understand? I have lots and lots of topics. I could write a book based on things that happened to me in my life. I could write a book. Y'all wouldn't even believe. You understand? I've been hurt so many times. And when I say hurt, I'm not talking relationship hurt. I'm talking about hurt by friends and family. I have been hurt so many times. Sometimes I sit and I cry. Sometimes I go up on my knee and I pray and I'm like, why Father God? Why me? Why me get so much hate? You understand? Is it because I am strong? Is it because, why? Because sometimes, as I write something the other day, I'm saying, sometimes people see and them think that you are okay, but you're not okay. But because you don't tell people things, you just put on a front, you might dress up nice and go out and think and have a good time, and them say they have a good time. Them eat pie for them look at something there. They might say, oh, she have money, no, because she have out. When they don't know deep down, when me go out, I don't have to spend $1. I don't spend $1 when I go out. The only thing I do is dress nice. You understand? I don't have to spend $1. You see me? But people would vex with you and bad mind for them look at things there. When only if they know. Only if they know. You understand? Sometimes you bad mind a person where in a way better position than them. You understand? Sometimes you stifle a person that you are in a better position than them. You understand? You box food out of the person's mouth. And you are doing way better. But because that person don't sit and complain. You see me as a person like this. You know how much time me have problem and nobody don't know. Sometimes my grandmother I go to and I say, you know, I can't talk to my grandmother about anything. You see, I'm not around my mother. My father is a man. So I go talk certain things with a man, you know. But you see my grandmother, I could go and talk to her about anything. Can ask her, she can testify to this. If me have any problem, I go to her and I cry to my grandmother. Grandmother this and she pray for me and thing. You understand? I can talk to my grandmother about anything. I just go to her and I say, grandmother this about me and that day or whatever. And I don't know why this or why that. And she said my granddaughter things are gonna be better. I just pray for you, you know. I just pray for you. You understand? And my prayer just keep on going. So sometimes people see and you look happy. But because you're not corona, you're not you put out the best. And you cry in a private. Them things say things is good with you. And them do everything that they might. Everything. If you try to bring you down and they don't know them, I bring you right down. And you did it, you still a hold on, you fight and you push. You understand? I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Curry Gooders. I am out, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this topic. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.